Hi, I'm Ed Kane from Rouse Chamberlain Homes. Welcome to Enclave at Ridgewood Phase 2. We thought you'd like to see how the community is coming to life. To my right is the new Spring Lane. We're getting ready to pave that street this week, actually, where we're building our new Villas series of townhomes. That's the 3-story, 1-car garage style of townhome. And Spring Lane comes over to my left here into Ridgewood Drive, another new community street where you might have seen the listings for our new signature series of townhomes. Those are traditional 2-story townhomes with a 2-car garage, and in fact we will have some quick deliveries right in that row by the end of the summer, when we're getting really excited to open up the new model, 2 new models of both the villas and the signatures. But in the meantime, this week, Thursday, June 6th, we'd like to invite you to take a sneak peek preview through our new signature series. It's an original new design, which we think you'll really like, in a great location where you can see the neighborhood meanders back in a beautiful setting here in Upper Providence Township. So come on out this Thursday between 3 and 6 p.m., June 6th, meet our project manager, learn more about the signature series and the community of Enclave at Ridgewood. See you then.